Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use pride stickers on Instagram. Really easy and simple to do. So first things first, we're going to head over to the Instagram application and open that up. And then we're going to go over to create a story. And then all we're going to do in here is go to our gallery and just pick something that's a flat color like this. And then all we're going to have to do to get the stickers, we're going to go up to the top bar here and just click on the little square that looks like an emoji. Click on that, and as you can see here at the very top is the pride stickers. So once you get them on here, you can just squeeze to open them and put them where you want. So let's put a couple of them out here. And if you tap on them, you could actually change the way they move. So that's pretty interesting as well. So we can just move them how we want to, and we can change them like this. And we can go put the last one in here. And tap on that one. As you can see, it changes as well. So this is how you use the new stickers on Instagram. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.